Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is May 11 and time is around 7 GMT. We will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So in my weekend video, I explained that I'm expecting a pullback on the higher time frame. But of course, that doesn't mean that we cannot go up in the a bit more up in the lower time frame, and this is also what I'm expecting. At the beginning of this week, I outlined some scenarios that could happen in the lower time frame, and actually, these scenarios could still play out because, as you can see, like this is the price action of this week. Not much really happens. So the first scenario was that the high is in, then our Elliott wave count looks something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we have our 5, which means we don't take out this 5 anymore, and we start to drop from here. I don't think it will happen. I think we will still see a bit more upside, but it is possible. From an Elliott wave perspective, we have enough swings here for a complete impulse up. Now, let's have a look at the 1 hour. So yesterday there was some movement, some volatility. There was also inflation data. That's why actually. But overall, we are still sitting here on this major support zone. So for now, I think the count is like this. We have our 1, 2, 3. Yesterday we made the 4 low, and now we will do a wave 5 to the upside. So yesterday I also explained that this was here just below this zone, that this was a good entry for a long position. I took the long position. I am long. I'm risk free. As you can see, we reacted very well from this from the extreme at this zone. Now let's have a look what could happen today. Yeah, first of all, I would say if we want to count this as a wave 4, we cannot go any deeper. Like if we go deeper, then it's another count. Then it will be probably something like here we do a 1, then we are doing a 2 now if we come down, and then up again in a 3. Or of course it's the first scenario, which is that we just start to drop, that we do not break the high anymore. So assume that this count is valid, and for now it is still valid, but it becomes invalid, I think, if we break this wave 4. So if this scenario holds, it means that we will see more upside today. We could do a little retracement to make a wave 2, so something like this, that this is the 1, we pull back, and then we shoot higher in a wave 3 to finish, or 4 and 5 like this. So you could say this might be a possible new entry for a long. Could be, but actually, if I look at the 15 minutes, could be that the wave 2 is already in. Yeah, so I don't know if there will be a possibility to to enter this trade if we move on to the upside. The best entry was yesterday, in my opinion. If I would do a long today, then I would bet on this scenario, that we have that this is a one that we will retrace in a wave two, so that this here is our wave two, which is ongoing, and that we then go higher in a wave three. Then if it plays out like this, I would enter, yeah, somewhere here. I like to trade at the extremes, so I would enter somewhere here in this area. Yeah, and probably if we take the equal legs area, so yeah, we probably do not have enough data for this, but okay, let's assume that we are not going higher than this high. Then if we look at the equal legs, yeah, this would be indeed, yeah, that's, yeah, I expect a reaction from here. This could be an entry for a long position today. If we make this deep retracement, I would go long in this area, trading at the extremes. That's what I like to do. Okay, but if we do not pull back into this area, and this Elliott wave count holds, so let's say the wave 4 is in here, and so now we started our wave 5. Yeah, if you're not long yet, then you could look for a short, so the end of this wave 5. I still think I earlier defined this area at the beginning of this week. I still think here just above the box is a good way to put a good place, sorry, to put a short, because you are at the equal legs area from here. And secondly, if this is a wave 4 and this is our 3, as you can see, we have, let me show it on the 15. No, the 1 hour is okay. Here, this is typically the area where a wave 5 ends. So again, here you're trading at equal legs, and this is also typically the area where a wave 5 ends. So there are elements here in this area that will cause a reaction to the downside. But then, of course, you have to monitor on the 15 minutes if we end here in this area with divergence. If it is not the case, we can shoot up in in a strong wave 5. That's also a possibility. So yeah, I think these are the scenarios that could play out today. So I would only go long here at the extremes in the anticipation of this is a wave 2. We are doing a wave 2 pullback, and a short I would only put here again at the extremes, but I want to see here something like an impulse, this kind of movement on the lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame. I want to see this structure ending here in this area with divergence. Then I would put a short here. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you tomorrow for another analysis.